In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to use strike-through formatting in Google Docs. So we need some text. I'm going to paste some. Here it is. You can select all the text or whatever you need, you can select. I'm going to select this one, number 1. After that, go up to top menu, format, click on it. Under format, text. And you can see down, come to strike-through. Click on it. So your text is formatted with strike-through. You can do it by shortcut key. So we need to undo the result. You can undo the result from here, or the shortcut key is Command Z. The text is still highlighted. The shortcut key for strike-through is Command Shift X. Same result is produced. The text is formatted with strike-through. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.